CISCOM Certified in Supply Chain and Operations Management Hybrid Training Course. The hybrid format combines self-paced learning with instructor support. CISCOM certification prepares students for job roles like supply chain manager, logistics manager, distribution manager, warehouse manager. This hybrid course consists of 4 modules: planning, organizing, delivering, growing. Explanation of modules. This module covers supply chain basics, from forecasting to efficient inventory management. Optimize your supply chain by mastering resource organization and streamlined operations for peak efficiency. We'll cover product delivery, from logistics to customer service, ensuring you surpass expectations. Learn scaling strategies for supply chain, ensuring quality and efficiency. Enroll now to elevate your supply chain career with CISCOM.